Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting right away. Turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your iPhone, confirm iOS is up to date, and charge the watch to at least 50%. Now place the Apple Watch within a meter of your iPhone and open the Watch app. Tap Start Pairing. Once the animated pattern appears on the watch, point your iPhone camera at it to center the view. This camera method verifies identity quickly, so you avoid manual codes unless automatic pairing fails. Once paired, you'll choose whether to set up for yourself or a family member. Make the selection that matches your use case. Sign in with your Apple ID to sync health, messages, and App Store purchases. This links data seamlessly. Make choices about location, Siri, and analytics. They affect functionality and privacy. Create a passcode for security and enable risk detection so notifications and Apple Pay stay protected. You can set up Apple Pay during this process. Finish by letting apps and settings sync fully. Keep your iPhone and watch close and charging until the progress reaches 100%. Once done, confirm notifications, health data, and messages appear as expected. If pairing fails, restart both devices and retry the pairing flow. If that doesn't work, reset network settings on the iPhone or unpair the watch to start fresh. Remember, unpairing creates an iPhone backup of your watch, so you can restore it after a reset if anything goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.